Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and just this afternoon I did a video on this, trying to get this border line to the outside of the line so they can cut it. And I started thinking, I did it earlier by measuring with the perpendicular parallel dimension tool, but that's not always perfect because of the fact that if you're a little bit of an angle, you get a different measurement. If you didn't start on the node, you get a different angle. So here's another way to look at this. This line is a little bit more than 12-point line, this black line. So let's take the black line and double click on it and change our line measurement to inches. And now we have a line that is 1.67 inches. Okay, 1.67, this red deal is going through half of it. So divide it by 2, so you come up with almost the exact same number I came up with before, 0.083 or 0.0835. So we'll click on that line, and you can always tell you're on that line by down here, you got a red hairline. We'll go up to Effects and Contour, and we're gonna contour 0.0835. Now Corel's gonna call it 84, but it's actually, we'll take that 3.5. And now it contoured. Now we're gonna go to Object, Break Contour Apart, and we're gonna try to grab that outside contour, which we did, and right click, whoop, I grabbed the line itself. There we go, we got a hairline. And then turn it red. And if we look, that line is right on the cut line. The cut line is right on. So then you would just need to remember to delete that one. So now your cut line, and he was having a little bit of trouble saying it wasn't going, well, that's a little disappointing right there. That it's not perfectly around. I would think, you know what, I might have moved it a little bit. Let's try hitting P and hitting P. Well, that is different. Well, you know what? It's because those two objects are broken apart. So let's do this. Let's grab that black line. I'll tell you what, let's see what our nudge did. Our nudge is big, so let's nudge that out of the way, nudge that out of the way, and then group this, Control G. This should all be one group. We're gonna hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then hit P, put it in the center of the page, and hopefully our red line is now, I must have moved it just ever so slightly. So now our red line is on the outside of, and we'll cut. And that's how you can let Corel help you do it with math. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.